I'm adding a little bit of light pink. It's called petticoat pink, just to sort of create the illusion of more depth because it's like the very tips, where the light hits the petals. This is honestly as easy as it looks. Just make little curves, just little curved lines all around in a circle-ish. This is hard to see, so I'm going to explain. That's a little bit of yellow. It's called cake batter. Just to lightly put some little centers in the flowers, just barely touching it. And then a little dimension in the vase that's just a solid blue Old 57 to create like sort of light hitting the side of it there. French millinery. It's a sort of a lavender with gray in it. Oh yeah, I forgot. Of course, it's what we started with, and then I changed my mind. You can see how I'm leaving some white spaces, that it's so low key to use a palette knife to do a color like that. Now, if you don't like the white showing and you want it solid, then obviously you would use a brush instead.